a situation involving a civil judgment, that he has been speaking with plaintiff's counsel regarding a payment plan that still needs to be filed to the court, and he is waiting on that.
And then you have to release.
Agreed to by the judge already.
Yes, but it needs to be filed with the court so that before
They have to do the
Yes.
release with the court.
Yes.
Is that civil judgment out of this court that's holding it, or is it out of another court?
I do not believe it's this court, Your Honor. Is it 14A1?
Yeah, I thought it was. I mean, I keep coming into this building with these clerks.
So, but right, it may be that it's a 14A case. I was just wondering I wanted to make sure it wasn't a civil judgment somewhere else, but I got you.
No, it's in Washtenaw County, Your Honor.
So I'll adjourn the matter to December 3rd,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m.
You think they'll respond by then? And get it back.
Let's hope.
Yes. Thank you, sir. We're all set for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Here's the.
Thank
Day
you.
in the neighborhood. Have a
that?
good day, ladies and gentlemen.
You too.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the people versus Alan Truman.
Good afternoon, Lieutenant Rockpenny on behalf of Mr. Tremue. Say your name for the record, sir, please.
Alan Eugene Tremue here.
Okay.
Your Honor, so there are two cases set before you. One is a pretrial. If Your Honor wants to discuss that one first, you should have a valid license. And we ask
A
that.
license one,
If the court-
yes, he has a valid license.
Excellent. I moved at count two in case one.
In this courtroom, every word carries weight. The defendant explains he's been working on a civil judgment, a payment plan waiting to be filed, promises still hanging in the air. The judge listens, confirming every detail, making sure no confusion remains. With patience and authority, she adjourns the matter until December 3rd, giving one more chance for resolution. Justice isn't rushed here. It waits, it watches, and it holds everyone accountable.
Yes, sir.
State your name.
Kimani Word.
All right. So Word, you're here on an arraignment on a misdemeanor complaint. That complaint alleges that on or about August 24, 2025, at a location of Packard Road near Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did operate a motor vehicle while intoxicated. Do you understand the nature of that charge, sir?
Yes, sir.
That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, up to a $500 fine plus court costs. The court could order community service and any rehabilitative programs court deems necessary.
In a Michigan courtroom, judge faces Kimani Word, charged with driving under the influence. Calm but firm, the judge reminds him, this offense could mean jail time, heavy fines, and strict conditions. No alcohol, no drugs, no excuses. His attorney steps in, pleading for time and a fair bond. The judge grants a $15,000 personal recognizance bond, but with one warning: the court will be watching every move. Justice may be patient.
The court could immobilize your vehicle, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand all of that, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
This is a public defender case.
Assistant
sir.
Public Defender Mr. Word. Assistant Public Defender Natalie Patewood, and on behalf of Mr. Word, we would waive any further reading. My client stands mute. I would ask for an adjourned pretrial date, and that as well as a PR bond.
Defendant having waived from a reading standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to November 5th, 2025, 9 a.m. Or as your invite indicates, alleged BAC in this matter.
.128. .128. There was a crash that involved him hitting a curb, which resulted in a flat tire,
Got it.
not a slow.
But no prior. Got it. Bond in this case will be set in the amount of $15,000. Personal recognizance. All other standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
There's also to be no alcohol, no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I also am going to order that you report over to the Department of Community Corrections.
The courtroom falls silent as Kimani Word stands before the judge, charged with driving under the influence. The judge's tone is steady but firm, listing every consequence: jail time, fines, and complete sobriety. No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, she warns. His lawyer stays composed, asking for leniency. The judge grants bond, but her message is clear. One mistake can cost your freedom, and this court does not take chances